Good morning. Today is Sunday. Had me a little breakfast already. Avocados, scrambled eggs, and a piece of toast. It was okay. This is my beginning 6 weeks of strict diet. I am working on toning up my physique. I'm working on my stomach area, trying to slim down my lower abs, and just being more healthy overall. So I will be on a strict diet, which includes no sweets, less carbs. I'm not going to cut carbs out. I'm going to continue to eat toast, things like that. For me, I'll see how it works. And I'm not cutting out rice. I'm not going to do brown rice. I'm just going to do less long grain rice. See how that works for me. If I don't see any difference with me having the rice, then I'll switch to brown rice. I just hate brown rice. So I feel like if I eat maybe the long grain white rice and less, not as much, then I should see a difference. But definitely cutting out sweets. I already don't drink sodas. So I'm about to see how this works. Eating more of the chicken breast, the salmon, ground turkey, those things I already eat. So, but working out as well with it. See how this goes. Today, I can't smell a thing. So I'm not going to the gym just to be safe. And I'm going to do my workouts here. So I will post some in-home workouts.